Next up is the value error. This is raised whenever the type of object is correct, but the value is not able to be used. So correct type, but just wrong value. So here is our list. And let's say I want to find the index of a particular value in the list using the index method. So we know like 20, that's position 1, index 1. Now, if I try to find the number 999, I'm going to get an error. It actually tells you, it says raises value error if the value is not present. So 999 is not in the list, so I actually get a value error. So the type here doesn't matter because you can have any type in a list. So if I just had a string, I'm looking for the string ASDF, well, that's also a value error. It's not a type error. I know it's a different type, but you can search for any object in a list. It can be any type. So the type does not matter. It just doesn't. It has not found this particular value in the list. So a value error. This is another one of the most common errors that you'll see. Type error and value errors are the ones you'll really see probably the most often. That are exceptions. And so this is when the type is correct, but you've just input the wrong value.